It is now 4 a.m. We're going to Tuner Evo, North Carolina. I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. I have 2 hours to make it to the airport, so I'll be right back. We have just arrived to North Carolina. I'm super excited for this one. I've never been actually to a North Carolina show. So here we are, Tuner Evolution, North Carolina 2021. So I am here with Dustin, the man, the legend, and the question is Evo or Subi?
Oh my god.
I know Subi is your heart because Subi started everything, but
I think Evo. I think Evo. I think Evo 10 versus Subi's now, I would go for a Subi, but Evo 8 versus like a Hawkeye or like a, you know, the older generation Subis. I think I'd go with Evo 8 or Evo 9.
Awesome,
sure.
Awesome. So Evo fan right here?
Yes,
awesome.
Always.
Love it. Take a look at this S2000 with an LS swap. Imagine taking this down the racetrack. It would be amazing, obviously. The fact that the S2000 is so light with this engine, it just blows my mind that people are doing this. I mean, they've been doing it for a while, but it's just crazy to see in person that they're able to fit that engine in these cars. Imagine the Miata with an LS. Crazy stuff that people are doing right now. They keep following me, and I am not lying when I say that this has to be the next car. Acura RSX. Let me know if you guys agree to this. This one is crazy. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but plumbing looks amazing. Engine bay, everything, and you guys know I'm all about TE the world. Take a look at the spare tire. TE the world. This is gonna be the next build. Hopefully, this is gonna be the next build after the Red Evo gets done. I just have to do it. I have to do it. It looks crazy. Look at the welds. I really like this build. This is exactly the same turbo we're going to be running on the red 6266. This is Joanna's PR Beauty's Evo, and I can't wait to get the red Evo to be built like this so I can enjoy it and drive it. Joanna, super dope build. Honestly, looks insane. And the Haltech cluster is coming to the build. I don't know yet what ECU we're running, but I think it is going to be Haltech, which I'm excited about. But finally, I was able to see this build. Honestly, looks super clean, and I really like the numbers it's putting out. So 6266 coming our way for the red build. have this crazy, do I need to say crazy S2K wide body. Man, look at the color, midnight purple. I guess you could call it midnight purple, right? Sorry again if you guys can't hear me. It's like such loud music. But this one looks crazy. Look at how wide. This is like original fender. Insane. We have made it out of Tuner Evolution, North Carolina. I had to cut it a little bit short because I have a flight that I need to catch now, but I'm gonna grab something to eat, maybe record some drone footage of beautiful North Carolina, and then head to the airport. I like North Carolina. Like the city, super clean and good vibes. Fall looks amazing here. Looks really, really nice.
All the seasons right here?
Every single season, sorta. They get snow a little bit. I don't like the snow. But I really like the fall colors. Everything looks clean. Everybody has been super nice so far. So North Carolina, thumbs up. Best part, hands down, has to be no Miami traffic, no LA traffic, and no New York traffic, Chicago. Like literally you get on the, what we call the turnpike, you get on the expressway without like tolls or like exits. Like you're in a stop sign and you're on the expressway. It's super weird. So, but I mean, no traffic, which I enjoy, obviously. 10 minutes from the airport to get to the car meet. It was a plus. And we got a rental for 30. Yo, quick tip for my travel peeps. If you ever travel somewhere, sometimes it is cheaper to rent a car than to get an Uber. This car I rented was $36. $36 plus the taxes and fees. That ended up being $50. My Uber from the airport to the car show was $30. Plus the Uber to get back from the car show to the airport is another $30. That's $60. And right now I'm gonna go eat. That would have been $10 here, $10 there. I would have spent like $80. I spent $50. I have my own car. As soon as I get back to the airport, I just drop it off. So always before you go somewhere, check to see if renting a car might be the cheaper option, because honestly, you'll be surprised. I was surprised, and this is already the second or third time it happened. Hawaii was super cheap. LA wasn't that bad, honestly, for it to be LA. So quick tip, always check car rentals. You might save money instead of using an Uber.